In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you've changed your mind, found a better deal, or just decided against a purchase, canceling an order after committing can seem daunting. But don't worry, today I'll walk you through the steps to help you navigate this process easily. First, of course, you'll want to start by going to Facebook. So open up your preferred web browser or Facebook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look toward the home page where you'll find Facebook's familiar blue and white interface. Now, look over to the left side of the screen. There you'll see the marketplace icon, the little storefront symbol, and just click on it. It's your gateway to all transactions related to buying and selling on Facebook. Having clicked on Marketplace, you're now in the central hub of buying, selling, and community sharing. Take a moment to survey the page as you're about to narrow down into your personal transactions. Direct your attention up to the top of the Marketplace page where you'll see a series of tabs. Find the one labeled Inbox and click on it. This is where Facebook stores all your buyer and seller communications, helping you keep track of your transactions. Now that you're in the inbox, focus on the section labeled Buying, which is specifically for items you've shown interest in purchasing. Clicking on Buying will display all your ongoing and past transactions where you've acted as the buyer. In the list you see, identify the order you wish to cancel by browsing through your recent activity. Clicking on the order will bring up the order details, where you can find your conversation history with the seller. This is a crucial step because Facebook Marketplace operates primarily as a platform for individuals to connect. So much of canceling or modifying an order hinges on communication between you and the seller. At this point, you'll need to reach out to the seller directly. Click on the seller's name or profile, which will usually bring up a dialog where you can message them, politely inform them that you've decided to cancel the order. It's best to be clear and concise, and providing a reason, though optional, can help foster positive communication and improve your chances of a smooth cancellation. Remember, the seller will often need to accept the cancellation on their end, so it's important to maintain a polite tone and ensure that everything is documented through your messaging for future reference. Once the seller acknowledges your request and processes the cancellation, any payments can usually be reversed following the policies specific to your transaction type, like using Facebook's own checkout system or directly through payment providers. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to navigate the process and successfully cancel an order on Facebook Marketplace. Happy canceling!